So I am very excited to announce that we are going to be launching a special edition of Momstory Times, which is our monthly newsletter by Momstory. 3, 2, 1. Can you have a round of applause?
Big round of applause. This is the moment. Let's go. Shout out all of yours. 3, 2, 1. Can we get the coupons ready, please?
Yeah. The first lucky draw winner is
Priya Kolkar. Priya Abshar Kolkar.
Priya Asad Kolkar. Is she here? Priya Asad Kolkar?
Is Priya with us?
Yeah, please come on stage. So there she is.
So the next thing is?
Tamanna Bhattacharya. Third winner is Pari Take. Rupali Take. The next winner is Nikhila Lalit.
Shruti Dani.
Shruti Dani. Show your coupons to the camera.
Thank you so much for your presence. Lovely event. Beautiful, gorgeous people to be mom joining us. Fantastic vibe. Dr. Mahima Bakshi, thank you so much for your gorgeous presence and making us move and grow as well. And with that, it's a wrap. What a beautiful event it was. Thank you so much, everybody who participated, contributed. This is Pratham signing off.